darkness. Civilizations exist that can swallow entire stars and dominate galaxies with their sheer willpower alone. Forget science fiction. Today, we are not talking about vague theories, but the Kardashev Scale, a scientific model proposed by Nikolai Kardashev used by NASA. Welcome to Space Mysteries. Prepare your mind, because after this video, you will never look at our planet Earth in the same way ever again. Part 1. Type 0. The Fragile Civilization. Humanity currently sits at approximately 0.73 on the scale, still struggling to harness our own home. We consume about 18 terawatts of power. That sounds like a lot, but it is only 0.01% of the energy Earth receives. Think of us as a 5-year-old child holding a TV remote, but we have no idea how to turn on the air conditioning. We are standing at the Great Filter, a dangerous boundary where a species might accidentally destroy itself with the very technology it worked so hard to build. We are not yet a true cosmic civilization. Right now, we are just a primitive species learning how to crawl in the dark backyard of space. To reach the next level, we must transition from burning dead plants to mastering the physics of our entire world without destroying the delicate environment. Imagine a world where we don't just predict the weather, but we command it. This brings us to the next evolution of our collective power. Part 2. Type 1. The Planetary Gods. This civilization harnesses 100% of their planet's energy, roughly 10 to the power of 17 watts. They have total control over the climate, volcanoes, and even the tectonic plates. Earthquake disasters are a thing of the past for a Type 1 species. Every gust of wind, every ray of sunlight, and the heat from the core is captured. They operate their planet like a perfectly tuned machine. It is like having a master switch for the world. You can turn up the rain or quiet a hurricane with just a simple command. But such power is a double-edged sword. The same energy that fuels a paradise can also be used to wipe out life in seconds. If we survive the next few centuries, we will become these gods. We will no longer be at the mercy of a chaotic Mother Nature. They do not fear natural disasters anymore. In fact, it is the natural disasters that have learned to fear their technological might and absolute control. But even a whole planet is not enough fuel for the truly ambitious. To grow further, they must look toward their parent star for more. Part 3. Type 2. The Star Reapers. They have built a Dyson sphere, a massive structure that captures every single photon emitted by their sun. Think of it as putting a cage around the sun. They harvest nearly 400 septillion watts of energy every single second of the day. With this much power, a civilization is essentially immortal. Nothing in their solar system can threaten them. Not even a nearby supernova would matter. They could move entire planets to better orbits, or even relocate their own star if they needed to escape a dangerous part of the galaxy. If such a civilization arrived here, they wouldn't see us as enemies. They would see our sun as just another battery to be drained. They have transcended biological limits. Their entire existence is powered by the fusion of atoms on a scale we can barely begin to comprehend mathematically. They don't just live near a star. They are the absolute lords of the star, commanding its life and death with a simple thought. But why stop at one star when there are billions? Now we enter the realm of the truly unimaginable, the masters of the entire galaxy. Part 4. Type 3. The Galactic Empire. This civilization harvests the energy of an entire galaxy, containing billions of stars and trillions of planets. They have built Dyson structures around millions of systems. To them, the Milky Way is not a mystery. It is just a very large computer. They might be watching us right now from the other side of the galaxy, viewing our entire history like we observe bacteria under a lens. If you are feeling a chill down your spine from these massive numbers, hit the like button and subscribe for more cosmic secrets every week. Help us grow this channel by clicking hype. Your support keeps our journey through the stars alive. Now let's get back to the galactic masters. A Type 3 civilization treats the entire galaxy like their own backyard. They can rearrange solar systems like furniture to suit their specific needs. Communicating across these distances would require physics we haven't even dreamed of yet, perhaps using wormholes or quantum entanglement on a massive scale. They are so advanced that their activities might look like natural phenomena to our primitive telescopes. We see a nebula, they see a factory. But believe it or not, the scale goes even higher. We are leaving our galaxy behind to witness the architects of the entire universe. Part 5. Type 4. The Universe Architects. They harness the energy of the entire observable universe, manipulating black holes and even mysterious dark energy. Think of it this way. Instead of just watching the movie of the universe, they are the ones holding the remote and changing the script. They can change the laws of physics in local regions. They could make gravity go up or slow down time whenever they feel like it. At this level, we might just be characters in their simulation. Everything we know as reality could be a side project for their scientists. They don't consume energy. They are integrated into the fabric of space itself. They have become one with the vacuum of the entire cosmos. Their thoughts could span across billions of light years instantly. Distance is a meaningless concept to a being that owns the entire vacuum of space. They no longer live inside the universe. They have evolved to the point where they effectively are the universe itself in a biological form. But what if there is more than one universe? Beyond the boundaries of our reality lies the final, most insane level of the Kardashev Scale. Part 6. Type 5. The Multiverse Gods. These beings transcend our reality entirely, harvesting energy from an infinite number of parallel universes and timelines. Imagine the Marvel multiverse, but it is 100% real and controlled by a single civilization that was born in the distant past. Every law of physics we know might just be a setting they programmed. They can hop between realities like we change channels on a television. To them, the Big Bang was just a small spark in an endless ocean of creation that they have fully mapped and completely colonized. They are the ultimate architects of existence. They could create a universe with a snap of their fingers and destroy it just as easily. We cannot even call them aliens. They are beyond biological life, existing as pure information or energy across the infinite layers of the grand multiverse. They didn't just conquer our universe. They have conquered every possible universe that could ever exist in the past, present, or the far future. But this leads us to the most terrifying question of all. If these gods exist, why is it so quiet when we look up? Part 7. The Final Paradox. Why are we still alone? This is the Fermi paradox. Hundreds of billions of galaxies, yet we hear absolutely nothing. It's like living in a massive apartment building with millions of units, but every single door is locked, and there is no sound from inside. Either we are the very first civilization to reach this level, or we are about to hit the great filter that has killed everyone else. Maybe they are staying silent because they know something we don't. Maybe space is a dark forest, and those who speak too loud are hunted. Or perhaps they are just waiting. They are waiting for us to grow up, because right now, we are simply not ready for the truth. Tonight, when you look up at the stars, don't just see points of light. See the possibilities of what we could become if we survive. We are currently a Type 0 civilization. But where will we be in 100 years? Will we be gods, or will we be dust? Is it already too late for us to join the cosmic conversation? Or are we just at the very beginning of the greatest story ever told? Think about it. The universe is waiting. Thank you for watching Space Mysteries. We will see you in the next dimension. Goodbye for now.